Hello, my name is Austin Dial. It is Monday, February 29th at 10:04 p.m. and I'm just going to create my demonstration here for assignment number 5. So I don't know if you've read the assignment that I submitted yet. I'm sure you must have, because I'm posting the link at the bottom of it kind of randomly. It's almost like at the end of a paragraph. I really didn't have enough space and would have ruined the formatting if I put it on a new line. You'll understand when you see the document. But I developed a model. To run this program. Instead of editing the main first, I developed the algorithms independently of the code that was meant to read the file and access it with pointers and things like that. So if we just go ahead and do Emacs no window a5.c, there we go. So you can go ahead and look. I made my own matrix, and the matrix has ID numbers going 1 through 46. Then it goes 10, 20, 100, 40, 50, and then 200, 300, 400, and so on and so forth. The idea is that the data would be dramatic enough to parse, and it would be easy enough to check because there are 5 different assignments. Each of them go up by 100, so the average grade for each student should go up 20 points. So it's easy to confirm if the average function works, and then it's easy to sort. Like I said, I had some sort errors there in that this is already in order, ascending, so naturally the sort function just looked at it and spit out whatever it saw, so it never actually got to the real meat of the issue. So this engine is wrong, it doesn't work, but parts of it did, and I think that it was a nice process. Let's see here, I think it's, there we go. So we go ahead and run it. We can see that it calculates everything correctly in terms of the averages. The averages go up predictably by 20 each element, or each entry, which all of that makes sense. And then it even prints it in ascending order. Look at that. Hey, it must be working, right? No. And for the reasons that I described to you in my submission. So, ultimately I adapted it to main and ran into some problems, as I mentioned. But when I sorted it out, we get this. And this is really what you're looking for in this video, so I'm just going to go ahead and give it to you. Prints out the ID, assignments 1 through 5, and all of the data. Calculates the averages, which we can confirm by calculator. Let's just pick out a random one. Yeah, that one looks good. Got a handy dandy calculator, and what do we have here? 96 plus 12 plus 16 plus 24 plus 39 equals, divided by 5, 39.4. Look at that. And the rest of them are all the same. I can vouch for it. Plus, it's been on the screen so long that you can also just pause and confirm the rest of them for yourself if the need arose. And then it does ascend. It does average it out and calculate the averages by ascending. Pardon me. It is 10:07, somewhat close to my bedtime. Just kidding. That's in like 4 hours. Anyways. And then it does also present the ID, so it keeps the index with it as well, which is good to know. And that's that. All in all, it was a pretty simple assignment, pretty straightforward. It's just tricky, ran into a couple of little sidewinding problems there, and that was somewhat problematic. But I hope that you enjoyed. Good luck with your grading again, and it was a pleasure meeting you today in the lab. I'll see you around. Bye-bye.